Hey guys, welcome to the HD channel, and in this video, as you can tell from the title of this video, is unboxing or unwrapping of the LED kids shoes. So I've seen quite a few videos of these online and they look awesome, so I thought I'd get a pair for my kids to try it out because they do look really fun, and especially for the price, they look really good, and they're also really super bright. I've had a look at some Sketcher like shoes before in the past, and they look a bit rubbish and they don't seem that bright. These look really bright, and you can actually recharge them as well, because when I was looking at some Sketcher shoes for the kids, the batteries are non-replaceable, so once the battery's gone, that's it, you've had it. So these just come today. So surprisingly, they've not come, from feeling you can tell it's just wrapped in bubble wrap, I think. So it's not in a box, unfortunately, so this unboxing isn't actually an unboxing, it's actually more of an unwrapping video. But anyway, I hope the size fits as well, because you know what sizes are like on shoes, they always like vary from different brands and different styles. Right, so I've got two pairs, as you can see there. All they've done, I think, to save on postage and packaging, they just wrapped them in bubble wrap. But I don't really mind, to be honest, as long as the shoes are alright. I'm not really too bothered about a box. So pretty well wrapped. Alright, let's go for the first pair. Just do this caveman style. Okay, so let's have a look at the first pair. They look pretty cool. They really remind me, well, it's obvious that they're a copy of the Air Force Ones. They look really good. Obviously without the Nike sign. Nice high tops. Obviously I didn't get a pair for myself because I can't see myself wearing these out, to be honest. But kids, any excuse. Right, so that's the first pair. Look awesome. Let's check it out. Let's do the second pair. Bam. Yo man, got these. Check these kicks out. Look awesome. Right, let's see where the magic is. Right, you can see it's a bit, if you look carefully, it's quite transparent. You can actually see something inside. The quality of them actually feels, or look, shall I say, look pretty good. They don't look too bad, too shabby. So let me just try to figure this out. Alright, okay, I just noticed that. So okay, there's like you can see I've got a USB socket there. Right, I'm guessing that button is where the magic is. So let's do this. Boom! Wow, that looks awesome. That looks awesome. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this on the other one. Right. There's also some I just noticed that there's some USB cables in there, so I presume that's to charge the bad boys up. Right, again, let's see. It's in there. Try to get this camera. Right, okay, there's a button there, do you see? So just press that. Boom! Yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Alright, okay, so every time you press it, I thought the colours alternate, but every time you press it, it changes into a different colour. Oh, strobing. Alright, okay, so there's like flashing lights there where they go through the colours, or you can, wow, glow, flashing disco lights. Alright, that's off. Alright, so okay, so you can choose the colours, so by just pressing it once. So red, green, blue, is that yellow? Yellowish green, blue, purple, the looks white, yeah, white, flashing, right, and just like going through all the colours. Wow, wicked. You know what, I think these are so cheesy but so cool. They look awesome. Let's just put this on. Let's just put different colours now. So what colour, guys? What colours do you reckon is the best colour? So awesome. Right, so this is the same pair again. So put it in there. Just do that so you can see. Put it in there. Press that. Ooh. Green. These are awesome kicks. You know what? I am quite tempted to get a pair of myself, but I know I won't actually wear these actually, because you can look like a right knob walking around with these, especially at my age. Wow. Again, it's a USB lead. Yo man, they look awesome. They look great. Initially I was tempted to get a white pair because I do quite like white trainers usually, but I thought, especially with kids being for kids, the white shoes are just going to get dirty so fast. And also I think it's quite a good contrast from the lights and the actual trainer itself. So let's get this out of the way. Give a bit of a close up. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Thumbs up? Yeah? Or thumbs down? Awesome or just cheese? I think they're awesome. So what I do, I'll get the kids to try these on in a minute. No doubt they're gonna love them. So let the kids have a go on them, and let's see their reaction on these shoes. Wow, amazing! What do you think? Done? Wow! You like it, kid? Okay, wow, they're really nice shoes. Did the shoes get thumbs up? Thumbs up? Yeah, you like them? Yeah? Alright, okay. Give me that. Ready? Right, okay. Okay, Kaden, do you like shoes? Thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I don't do. Bye. Bye-bye.